May I now request Mr. Hitesh Lakhani to come forward, please.
This is a bit difficult part for me. Will try to make it easy for myself. By reading through, I had certain words which I don't want to miss out on. The journey till now, I would want to compare my journey with our association's journey, honestly. Because I think I was starting my career as an insurance professional. Our industry, as GI industry, was around 10,000 crores. That was the number, clear number. In 25 years, maybe I don't know, I have as an individual grown equivalently at a combined in a QRR or whatever we call. But our industry has reached 3.25 lakh crore or would reach around that number by this year end. So for this particular journey, I would first of all want to start thanking all our past office bearers as well as our current office bearers and directors. I clearly remember, and I want to start with a lot of gratitude and a thankful heart to Mr. Mr. Boda, who was our past president, who started being a father figure for us as an association. Mr. Kedal, who was clearly making our association grow during his tenure. Sanjay ji, who was like a pillar for us, who shown us the path in terms of how as an association we were missing the compass of policyholder. I clearly remember that idea when you were speaking from this dais, and that helped us all of us a lot. Mr. Sumit, who has been a partner, a friend, and like a guide to me personally. Mr. Narendra, who is equally carrying all the efforts done by past president and the entire association with equal aplomb. I want to congratulate you on your speech in Chennai. I think you have brought our association a lot of kudos from all the government departments. Our vision as an association calls, this is my viewpoint, our vision for 2047 as an association calls for overall unification with what our government is wanting to do in terms of various stuff. Insurance for each one of us or everyone, single guy on pan-India basis till 2047. So how are we going to achieve this particular thing? And that should be our focus. That is my take on this entire journey. Also, I would want to highlight a few pitfalls which we might face. We might be one regulation here or there in terms of like a mutual fund industry. All of a sudden a regulation came that the brokerage would be 0.2% of entire quantum. So we are in, like Pawanjit ji said, we are in a safe sort of an environment regulatory wise. But having said that, there are various, manufacturers. When I say manufacturers, it is the insurance company whose products we are selling as distribution arms. So we need to look at their health as well and accordingly plan our future vision as a distribution partner for them. Also, having said this entire thing, I would also want to highlight the positive part. Government is going to come up with around 2 lakh crore per annum. That is the investment quantum which they are going to come up. Plus, there is another, line of business which is clearly, missed by all of us, which is surety lines of business and the liability lines of business, which could grow 10x from here. And that is what I would want to, highlight, that any small broker can become a mid-size or an SME broker in coming next 10 years. So with that vision, I would want our association to focus on these particular aspects. Our association doesn't have our own office somewhere. So I spoke with, current office bearers as well. We should have a pillar of, support for all these small brokers where they would be able to come and sit in these premises. There are people who have, small offices, branch offices here in Bombay. So we need to provide that support part from our end to our fellow brokers. And with this, I would like to end my the speech. Thank you very much for hearing me out so patiently. Thank you.